we're going to take a look at the Windows taskbar. Now you'll notice that the Windows taskbar may look slightly different to a previous version, but it can still do all the things that we normally do. So we'll go from left to right, starting by clicking on the Windows Start button, and here we can see the Windows Start menu. We'll go into more detail in that, so be sure in this tutorial from the main menu to select the item, the Start menu, and we'll look at that in more detail. Moving over to the right, we have the Search Windows button, where I can search for an application, a file or a setting. For example, if I want to launch Calculator, C-A-L, there it is, and I can just launch that quickly and easily. Next you can see that I have a pinned application. Microsoft Outlook has been pinned to the taskbar. You'll be able to see how to do that in the section under the Start menu. And because Calculator has been launched and has a little line under it, I can see it's not been pinned, but it is currently running. Now I'll move over to the right here, and I have an Expand Show Hidden Icons button, and I can see various things such as virtual private network settings, virus checkers and so forth. I can check my battery status, almost full. Power and sleep settings are there, but also I have a toggle button. Now this is useful if you're a laptop user perhaps and you want to conserve some battery power. It's always useful to see what kind of internet connection that we have, or network connection. If I click on that I can see, am I on next data, am I on next public, if things are running a little bit slowly. Just to the right of that I've got my volume controls. I can turn the volume up and down, and also mute as well. It's handy to see the time and the date. I can hover to get the day, and also give that a click, and I've got a handy large calendar display. Finally you'll notice this little speech bubble. Now we're going to go into more detail about the Action Centre if you select that from the main menu. Now I say finally, there is another button here that's sometimes clicked by accident. If you have an application open and you click on this, it will just basically reveal the desktop, and I can toggle through there.